I've got the net, bro.
Oh.
That's a good one, man.
Oh.
Big.
Oh. Oh.
That's big, man. Oh. G'day, you bunch of lip rippers. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing good. Well, we just got home after an epic day's fishing. As you can tell, very sunburnt, really badly, but we had an epic day. We caught some really cool fish and we bloody enjoyed every second of it. So I hope you guys enjoy the episode. I won't spoil it too much, but keep watching. Some good action happening. If you do enjoy the episode, please hit that like button. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and chuck in some comments below. Every like, sub, comment, everything helps my channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot, guys. So yeah, just enjoy it, kick back, have a beer, and yeah, chuck in some comments below. See you guys on the next one. Yo! Oh, off the rock. Wow. Oh, Brimbo. It's a little jack.
Oh my god.
Jolly got one. Little Jackall. I thought it could have been, eh? I'm like, that's pretty aggressive. He's only a little guy. No, that's a start, bro. Little Jack. Oh, there's the first fish for the day, guys. First little Jack. Just going to chuck him in the live well for a little bit, guys. We'll give you guys a look at him a bit later, just while the top water bite's happening. Won't waste time filming. There he is. Only a little guy, but it's a start. He's an absolute loser, man. Oh, dude, that's a jack. Are you on?
Yeah.
Talk to me. Are you okay there? I need communication, bud.
Oh, I'm right.
Okay, that's a jack, man. For sure that's a jack.
That's fucking... He smashed that net. Good Jack, get the net.
I've got the net, bro.
Oh.
That's a good one, man.
Oh.
Big.
Oh. Oh.
That's big, man. Oh. Yes, man. Oh. Just sorting that little Brimbo out, and I just hear this big friggin' smack. I'm like, that's definitely a jack, David. That's huge. That's like 52. Good work, my brother. First jack.
I nearly broke my arm.
First fish in the net. Oh, that lure just came out too.
Oh.
Look at that thing. Oh my god.
Oh.
Big. My man. What? Oh. I just heard it. I'm like, yeah, that's 1,000,000% a jack. That's a big jack, man. Yes.
Oh my god, Will.
He'll be right there for a little bit, eh?
Yeah.
Just until we sort the shit out. I'll just let you take that one in, man. That was sick. Alright guys, we're just going to show you these jacks quickly while this tide's a little bit slack, but there's my little fella. It's a bit sad now after your big guy, so anyway. Yeah, little guy, just using the 95mm splash prawn in the cooked king colour. Nice natural profile early morning, and yeah, that guy ate it, but he's only a teeny tiny guy, but I mean a jack's a jack at the end of the day, and yeah, they're still a beautiful fish. Definitely can't complain. Pretty cool. We'll let this little guy go, and then we'll measure up Dave's big fella and let him go as well. So I'm guessing 52 on Dave's big one, so we'll see how good I am at guesstimating. But yeah, he's a cool little guy. Obviously not worth a measure, but whatever. Anyway, we're going to get the dome out, do some dome releases while this water's nice and clear. And we'll be right. And Davo's going to pull out his big jack, going to give him a measure. My guess is a 52, so we'll see how we go with that. He's a big fish though, been in the live well the whole time, nice and healthy, as you can see. There it is. On the nose. There you go, mate. Bang on a 50. Very tall for a 50, hey? Still an awesome fish. That fish is going to get a lot bigger very quickly in the next couple of years. That's awesome. Nice fitty jack on surface, man. Stoked. Good work, brother. Alright, we'll get some photos, then we'll get the dome release happening and get back into the fishing. David, talk to me. David, talk. Ooh. Davo's on. Decided to shoot all the way up the river. Yeah, after the jacks didn't really catch much throughout, so I've shot up the river a bit. Davo's onto the first fish up here for the afternoon. No. Nearly afternoon, I should say. Oh, it's going. Do you need the net?
Yeah,
is that on that little vibe?
Yeah.
Is it?
He flogged it, man.
Maybe a little profile is going to be good. That's a cool little fish, man. Little chrome dome.
Chrome dome.
Jolly.
Jolly.
Sick.
This is so hard, man.
Yeah, that was sick. Oh, there he is. Nice little chromie. You doing alright today, mate? Big jack, little Dewey.
Good day.
Bloody hell.
Look at the species.
Catching more than me. Very cool, bro.
It's beautiful, mate.
Let's see if we catch some more. Davo with another Dewey. Look at the size of this thing.
Look at it.
That's PB, man.
Hand's bigger.
That's awesome.
See ya.
Yeah.
Bye.
Very cute. Oh! Davo, I'm on.
Are you really?
Davo. Can you just hold up? Trying to bloody film you. Trying to film Davo's little release there, and something picked up mine. Probably another little tiny Jew. That was gold.
A bit bigger than that one, I hope.
Oh, mate. Yeah, a little bit bigger. He's still tiny, but hey. Hey, that's will we class that as a double hookup on Jew? Or?
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
What a cool little guy though, look at that. Alright, let's get some more. something bigger. Literally deleting footage on my GoPro and I just got whacked. It's only a small Dewey, but first Dewey on the new Daiwa Steez soft shelled. Oh, it's a flatty. Finally got a flatty.
About time.
There we go. It's only just legal. Oh, God, he smashed that. Little guy, not very big, probably just on legal, but there's that Daiwa Steez soft shelled prawn. Absolutely gone. Definitely wanted that. Wow. Those are colours. He's super brown, hey?
Yeah.
Wow. That's actually really cool. Oh, we'll get this little fella back in and hopefully get that lure out. Yeah, crush that. That was a little Dewey. Little round flat. Trev. Jesus. Wow. Oh. He went nuts, man.
Wow, it's only a baby.
Oh. I caught bigger earlier. Oh no, I didn't. Not even on film. Jeez, man. Oh, bro. This guy's going nuts.
Look at it.
He's not even big.
He's tiny.
What? Absolutely crunching that. Wow. David, you haven't seen a little trevally like that go so hard?
It's a big eye.
It's a pretty cool little big eye.
Big eyes go hard, eh?
Man. Absolutely crunch that. Oh, it's a nice little big eye. Just come up and fishing this rock wall here and absolutely crunch that. For a little fish, he went so hard on 20 pound. That was awesome fun. We'll get him back in and see if we can get something else. But yeah, that's cool. Another species. Just using a Jackall squirrel in the gold colour, 30 colour water. Using a, what is it, 79. Hank tune with the big barra hooks on there. These dives to 3-4 metres, perfect for this scenario in the dirty colour water. So yeah, we'll keep going. See if we can get some more trevs. Maybe luck onto a jack, but hey, that's good fun. That guy went hard. Awesome, good fun. Let's go. It's just a trev. Jesus Christ, man. I don't know, I just go out in the middle of the river. I think it's just a trev. Is it just a trev? Holy crap. Jolly's quick, man.
Too quick for me.
Jolly like that, split second at the back of the boat. Big. That's so many casts in there. Oh, he's not too bad.
That's your giant trevally.
Jolly's so quick, man. He absolutely annihilated that. Thanks for getting snagged, bro. Did you get it off? Yeah, cool. That was sick. Absolutely crunched that up in that drain. It's not overly big.
He's bigger than your big eye. Oh, I got nothing in my forearm, I got nothing, no power in it.
That was sick, man. I had like 3 or 4 casts in there, and then he finally hit it on the... That's sick. Oh! Now guys, that's a bit better. Davo was just snagged up in the drain up there. I had a few casts in there, no good, and Davo got snagged. I thought, oh yeah, have one more cast in there, and rolled it out, and this guy absolutely crunched it. Went straight onto the boat, behind the motor. Luckily I'm fast and agile. And yeah, got him in. So just using that Jackall, squirrel again, and that gold colour, just rolling it out of this rock wall. These guys are good fun. So thought it could have been a jack, but as soon as that thump happened, I knew straight away it was a trev. But yeah, that's a good little ripper G. Not complaining on the 20-pound gear in that current. Pretty cool.